Hello students, today we will discuss new topic, that is non-exact differential equations reducible to exact form. So sometimes a differential equation is not exact but can be made exact by multiplying with a suitable integrating factor. So in this topic we will discuss different methods to find an integrating factor to a non-exact differential equation mdx plus ndy is equal to 0. So let us discuss case 1. If del m by del y minus del n by del x divided by n is equal to f of x, then integrating factor is equal to e raised to integration f of x dx. So after multiplying with this integrating factor, equation becomes exact and then it can be solved by method of exact differential equations. Now let us discuss examples related to case 1. First example, solve the differential equation x square plus y square plus 3 dx minus 2xy dy is equal to 0. So here first of all we will compare the given differential equation with m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. So m will be x square plus y square plus 3 and n will be minus 2xy. Here next step we have to find out del m by del y. So that means we have to partially differentiate m with respect to y. So partial derivative of x square will be 0 because x is a constant, and partial derivative of y square with respect to y will be 2y, and the partial derivative of 3 will be 0. So del m by del y is equal to 2y. Now we have to find out del n by del x. That means we have to take partial differentiation of n with respect to x. So here minus 2 and y will be constant, so minus 2y as it is, and derivative of x with respect to x will be 1. Therefore del n by del x is equal to minus 2y. So here as you can see, del m by del y and del n by del x both are different. Therefore del m by del y is not equal to del n by del x. Therefore the given equation is not exact. So now we will find out del m by del y minus del n by del x divided by capital N. That is equal to 2y minus 2y divided by minus 2xy, because n is minus 2xy. So it will be 4y divided by minus 2xy. So if we simplify it, then it will be minus 2 divided by x. So according to the case 1, if del m by del y minus del n by del x divided by n is equal to f of x, that means function of x, then we can apply case 1. So here we are getting this as a function of x. So integrating factor will be e raised to integration f of x dx. So e raised to integration minus 2 by x dx. So it will be e raised to minus 2 log x, because integration of 1 by x dx will be log x. So if we simplify further, then it will be e raised to log x raised to minus 2, which can be written as x raised to minus 2, which is 1 divided by x square. Now given differential equation can be made exact by multiplying it with integrating factor. So we will multiply the given differential equation by integrating factor. So it will be 1 divided by x square into x square plus y square plus 3 dx minus 1 divided by x square into 2xy dy is equal to 0. So if we further simplify it, then it will be 1 plus y square plus 3 whole divided by x square dx minus 2y divided by x dy equal to 0. Now we have to check whether this equation is exact or not. For that, comparing it with m1 dx plus n1 dy equal to 0. So m1 will be 1 plus y square plus 3 whole divided by x square, and n1 will be minus 2y divided by x. Next step, we have to find out del m1 divided by del y. That means we have to take partial differentiation of m1 with respect to y. So here derivative of 1 will be 0, and derivative of this term, that is y square divided by x square, will be 2y divided by x square, because x is a constant. So 1 divided by x square will be as it is, and derivative of y square is 2y. and next term is 3 divided by x square, which is a constant, so derivative of that term will be 0. Now we have to find out del n1 divided by del x. So here again minus 2y will be as it is, because if we are taking partial differentiation with respect to x, then y is a constant, so minus 2y will be as it is, and derivative of 1 divided by x will be minus 1 divided by x square. So if we simplify it, then it will be 2y divided by x square. So here as you can see both are same, so here del m1 divided by del y is equal to del n1 divided by del x. Therefore the equation is exact. Hence the general solution is given by integration m1 dx, where y is a constant, plus integration terms of n1 not containing x dy equal to c. So integration of what is m1, it is 1 plus y square plus 3 whole divided by x square dx, plus integration terms of n1 not containing x. So here in n1 there is only one term and which contains x, therefore we will write down 0 over here. So integration 0 dy equal to c. Now integration 1 dx is x, okay, and integration of second term, that is y square plus 3 divided by x square with respect to x. So here y square plus 3 will be a constant, and integration of 1 upon x square will be x raised to minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1. So it will be minus 1 divided by x. So final answer will be minus y square plus 3 whole divided by x is equal to c, because integration of 0 will be 0. So if we further simplify it, then it will be x square minus y square minus 3 is equal to cx, which is the required solution. Now let us discuss second example. Solve the differential equation 2y dx plus 2x log x minus xy dy is equal to 0. So first of all we will compare the given differential equation with m dx plus n dy equal to 0. So m will be 2y and n will be 2x log x minus xy. Next step, we have to find out del m by del y. That means we have to find out partial differentiation of m with respect to y. So it will be 2, because derivative of y will be 1. And next step, here we have to find out del n by del x. That means partially differentiating n with respect to x. So here 2 will be constant, and here we have to apply product rule. So here 2 log x constant and derivative of x is 1. Okay, now plus 2x constant and derivative of log x is 1 by x. So if we simplify it, then it will be 2. And derivative of minus xy will be minus y, because derivative of x is 1. So here as you can see, these two are different. Therefore del m divided by del y is not equal to del n divided by del x. Therefore the given equation is not exact. So now we will find out del m divided by del y minus del n divided by del x whole divided by capital N. So that is equal to 2 minus in bracket 2 log x plus 2 minus y bracket complete divided by 2x log x minus xy. So if we simplify it, then it will be minus in bracket 2 log x minus y divided by, now x common from these two, so x in bracket 2 log x minus y. So this term will be cancelled out, so ultimately it will be minus 1 divided by x. So we can apply case 1 because this is a function of x. So integrating factor is given by e raised to integration f of x dx. So it will be e raised to integration minus 1 divided by x dx. Now integration of 1 divided by x will be log x. So it can be written as e raised to minus log x, which can be written as e raised to log x raised to minus 1, which can be simplified as x raised to minus 1, which can be written as 1 divided by x. Now given differential equation can be made exact by multiplying it with integrating factor. So now we will multiply the given differential equation by integrating factor. So we will get 1 divided by x into 2y dx plus 1 divided by x in bracket 2x log x minus xy bracket complete dy equal to 0. So if we simplify it, then it will be 2y divided by x dx plus 2 log x minus y dy equal to 0. Now we have to check whether this equation is exact or not. For that we will compare it with m1 dx plus n1 dy equal to 0. So here m1 will be 2y divided by x and n1 will be 2 log x minus y. Now next step we have to find out del m1 divided by del y. So it will be 2 divided by x because derivative of y is 1 and x is a constant. So 2 by x will be as it is and derivative of y is 1. Therefore del m1 divided by del y is equal to 2 divided by x. Next we have to find out del n1 divided by del x. So it will be 2 divided by x because derivative of log x is 1 by x and derivative of y will be 0 because y is a constant. So here as you can see these two are same. Therefore del m1 divided by del y is equal to del n1 divided by del x. Therefore the equation is exact. So the general solution is given by integration m1 dx where y is a constant plus integration terms of n1 not containing x dy is equal to c. So it will be integration 2y divided by x dx plus integration. Here we have to write down the terms of n1 not containing x. But in n1 there are two terms and first term contains x. So we will skip this term. So we will write down minus y only. So integration minus y dy equal to c. So now integration of 2y divided by x with respect to x is given by here 2y will be constant and integration of 1 by x will be log x. So it will be 2y log x. Then minus y square divided by 2 because integration of y with respect to y will be y square divided by 2 is equal to c. This is the required solution. Thank you for watching this video.